Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own face and body scrub using ingredients found in your kitchen. We'll be needing a coffee blender, which we are going to be using to blend our oats. A jar for storage. We're going to use it to store our scrub. And in here, I have my lemon oil. I have my sugar. And my oats. We also need a spoon that we are going to use to mix our ingredients. These are all our ingredients that we are going to be using for the body scrub. Guys, this lemon oil, I made it myself, so I used olive oil, okay? So I supposed to use olive oil, so I just decided I have a lot of oil at home. Why not? I just use the lemon oil. It's still the same. So guys, I'll be telling you the benefits of oatmeal, the benefits of sugar and olive oil. Oatmeal absorbs and removes surface dirt and other impurities, leaving your skin with a natural and glow, relieves skin of any dryness. Sugar is a natural exfoliate that helps to moisturize and even skin tones. Yes guys, sugar is very good on the skin. It's very good. It has a lot of benefits. And also olive oil is rich in vitamin A and E. It is gentle enough to not clog your pores. It is a very moisturizing ingredient. Yes guys, olive oil is very good on the skin, as well as lemon oil. It's very good on the skins. It moisturizes the skins, leave it soft and glowy. So guys, we are going to start making our scrub. First of all, we need to blend our oatmeal into a powder. You can blend yours not too smooth, just roughly blend it. But I prefer to blend mine into a very smooth powder. I prefer it like that. So we are going to start blending. Blend, blend, blend. After finish blending, then I'll combine the oatmeal and sugar together. Mix it very well so that it will be well combined. I'm using 250 grams of oatmeal and 250 grams of sugar. Guys, you can also use brown sugar, okay? I normally use the brown sugar, but I don't have it at home right now, so I decided to use the white one. It still works fine. Then I'll be adding about 3 to 4 teaspoons of olive oil, okay? Guys, this scrub is very good. If you don't scrub your skin, I'll advise you to try this recipe. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe. Just 3 ingredients: oats, sugar. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? It's very good, guys. At least scrub your skin once or twice a week. It's very good. Very good. You will love it. Please guys, do not forget to support my channel. If you know you like what I'm sharing here, why not just hit the subscribe button and join the family. Okay? So guys, you're going to mix. After mixing, as you can see, this is our body scrub. Guys, exfoliating your face and body at least once or twice a week allows your new skin to shine through, leaving you looking vibrant and refreshed. Ha! Can you hear that? And also allow your skincare products and lotions to penetrate your skin more easily. Guys, can you beat that? So tell me why you will not start scrubbing your skin now if you have not been doing that. No, just tell me. Tell me, guys. Tell me why you will not be scrubbing your skin. Scrubbing is very good, I will tell you the truth. I love scrubbing a lot, at least once or twice a week. It makes your skin to feel good, soft, like the skin of a baby. So guys, here this is our body scrub. Store your scrub in a airtight jar. Yes guys, hope you found this video helpful. Have fun making your scrub and have fun using it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.